What's up, guys? Today is an exciting day. I've wanted this backpack for a long time. This is the Tesla Mega Backpack. I got the one in black. I think it comes in white too, but it's an expensive backpack. It's like $295, $285, something like that. But we got two Teslas. Tesla makes really good accessories. I really wanted to get this backpack because we're going on a trip here pretty soon to France, and I needed a big backpack. Why not rep Tesla? And I know it's going to be a good quality bag. So today I'm going to unbox it, kind of show you all what's inside, how it looks, how it feels, my thoughts on it, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got here. So obviously comes in a nice Tesla box, which you can expect. Here we got the backpack itself. Ooh. Wrapped up in paper. Okay. Nice black paper with tape. Okay. Get this out of here. Wow. Okay, comes with a nice dust bag, branded. Looks really nice. Okay, let's see. Not tied here. I got this. It's tied pretty good. Okay. Alright, wow. Looks nice already. Feels nice. It's like a patent leather. Looks really good. Okay. Dust bag definitely fits snugly on there. Let's take this off. There it is. There it is. So, that's nice. Okay, let's get into the backpack itself. Yeah, it's a nice leather. Let me smell it. It smells like leather. I think it's vegan leather, so it doesn't really smell like leather, but vegan leather is good with me. So that looks really great. So what do you got on here? You got some covers right here. Take those off. Take this out. These are nice, I gotta say. It's really good. Feel good. Very nice quality. Good stitching. Almost feels like a Louis Vuitton bag, Gucci bag. That's what this feels like. It's definitely wrapped up like one. Let's take these off. Okay, all that's off now. You can see Tesla branded logo right there. Nice straps. All of it's leather. Looks really good. Nice handle at the top. Got some side compartments. These are supposed to fit Tesla branded water bottles. You can see it's leather on the outside. You got a softer material on the inside. This side, nothing. So pocket. You got a zipper pocket here in the front. Open this up. Getting caught on this. Okay, you got a nice big pocket there. You can put like an iPad mini or passports or wallets or whatever you want in there. Maybe not wallets. Somebody could pickpocket you, but it's a nice, almost velvet kind of material in here. Not exactly velvet. This is velvet, but this is something else. But good material, good size pocket there, we'll say. Zippers don't seem to be working super well. But that's something. Zippers are branded as well. Got a little T down there. I like that they're black. I like that they even have plastic on the zippers themselves, which is out there, but doesn't surprise me. Let's say the main biggest pocket here. Got a lot of foam. A lot of foam. Oh my gosh, this thing is packed to the brim with foam. Okay, got your silica gel. Okay, all right, well in here, you got 2 pockets right there. 2 pockets, make sure you can see that. 2 pockets, and big opening here. You can put a lot of stuff in here. This is going to be good for clothes and electronics. You got Tesla branded symbol right there. And you got another pocket. Goes about that deep. Nice. All this is like a velvety material, but not velvet. But nice. This is a huge pocket there. So you got 2 pockets, 3 pockets. One's a zipper. And then you just got a really deep opening here. So, very nice. It's a lot stiffer when you have all the foam in there, but that's why they do it. So, right here. You got a nice place for your laptop. So you got like a laptop sleeve here, or iPad sleeve, and then another big pocket here. Pretty big. Same material on the inside here. But really spacious backpack. I see why they call this the Mega Backpack. It's really a really great quality backpack. Exactly what you would expect out of a designer backpack like a Louis or a Gucci. It is really nice. And these are metal. So that's nice. Your little clips here are metal. This is all leather. Your accents are metal or hard plastic. These are definitely metal. Zippers, I would say, are like a, see, they're getting caught there. I'd say the zippers are probably a 7 out of 10, but the rest of the bag, super nice, I gotta say. Super nice. Really great looking bag here. I'll put it on so you can see it. See how it fits. I'm 5'10", about 190 pounds. But already feels good. Straps here. Yeah, straps on there. Ah, shit. God. How the hell are you supposed to tighten these things? You gotta push the leather through. Push the leather through. It doesn't just work like a regular backpack. So these, you gotta push the leather through. How much slack you want, and then pull it back through the other side. This is nice, I gotta say. Feels good. Obviously, there's nothing in it, so it's not heavy or anything, but it's light. Feels good. The straps feel good. So I got them all the way tight here. Feels good. It's a good backpack. I say I feel like I'm going back to school now. But really good backpack. Feels nice. Definitely would rock this. Got a lot of room, so it's a thick backpack, there's no doubt, but it's a really quality backpack. That's why I bought this. I wanted to get a very good quality backpack. Look good, feel good, could go places, and it looked like a luxurious backpack. So I really gotta give this, like, despite the zippers not working super well and you know, straps are not a big deal. That's what you get with leather backpacks, but I would give this a solid 9 out of 10. If you're looking for a really good backpack, a designer backpack like this would be like $2,000-3,000. So you're basically getting the quality of a designer backpack at a relatively cheap price. It's not cheap, but it's relative to what quality you're getting. And it looks dope. It's all black. Tesla, another Tesla logo. Really like it. So if y'all are looking for a good backpack, I would highly recommend this one. Tesla. It's called the Mega Backpack. Comes in white and black, and they have a smaller one, but I really recommend this one. If you're going to travel and if you don't need as big a backpack, get a smaller backpack, but definitely recommend them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe if you like this type of content, and like the video if you like the video.